Meka bajeje vielo, Toboli. Meka bajeje vielo, Toboli. Mega ble anyeji, Toboli. Mega nyo anyeji, Toboli. Mega favile zamenamo, mega favile zamenamo. Dale na hokwe la siyo na blo, de vielo, Toboli.
Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Togo, West Africa. Today I want us to prepare a less than $1 meal Togo, and yeah, so guys, this is how easy it is to survive over here. And right now I'll take you guys to go and get the ingredients we are using to cook. And yeah, let's go guys. No, c'est qu'on a frié. C'est ça qu'on a fait, non?
Ça, c'est canami.
Canami? Canami, non, c'est canami que je veux. Ça, c'est combien?
100 francs.
Ok. Et tomates, 200. Yeah. So this is early morning. It's about 7:30 a.m. This is a big Catholic church over here. I want to get charcoal. No, c'est bon. And this is 100 francs. These days, charcoal is becoming more expensive than gas. Okay, so if I was to buy charcoal for 4,500 for a month, or let's say 5,000, it can't take me for a month. If I'm to get like gas, the small size for 5,000, it take me for a month. What's happening? Yeah, charcoal is more expensive, but people don't know. I swear, it's more expensive, especially here in Lomé. It's quite expensive. This is everything I got. I got like 5 tomatoes for 200 francs. This poivron right here, I got this for 100 francs. And this is fried fish. This is like baby tilapias. Got 2 packs right here for 200 francs. And onion right here, I got this for 50 francs. And the pepper, I already had it at home. And yeah, this is everything I got with the charcoal, and that's it. I'm not going to add a lot yet. I will start by lighting up the chives. Can you see how easily it burns? Yeah, so over here nothing goes to waste. Usually they get this from making red oil, and they will dry the chives and sell it, you know, like this right here. I got it for 150 francs, and I can use this for like 2 months. It's huge. Yeah. So the first thing I'll be preparing is the akume. Akume is made from corn flour and some cassava and some gari mixed. But some people use just the corn, but usually I'll add in dry cassava and gari because I like it when my akume is very, very stretchy. But I'm going to add in some water. And this is what I'm going to use to cover it. So I want it to cook very fast. That's why I'm panning this up. Adding in some corn and cassava powder. So the reason why I'm adding cold water is because I don't want it to coagulate. You know, if you are to add it directly into the water, it's going to coagulate. So usually over here we dissolve it like this to get rid of all the lumps. Yeah. The water is boiling like crazy, so we'll just go ahead and add. And when you're adding the paste, you have to quickly stir it so that it doesn't create some lumps as well. Mega favile zamenamo, mega favile zamenamo. That our base is boiling. Yeah. going to add in some powder. And when you add in the powder, you have to quickly stir. You have to quickly mix it so that it doesn't coagulate as well. This thing.
Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Nega Glenhaji, Toboli. Nega Yuanyenji, Toboli. Mega Favila Zamenamu. Mega Favila Zamenamu. Nadena Hobela Sionamlo.
Wow, this has been cooking for a while, and I think our akume is ready. I'm just going to stir. Okay, so now we are going to scoop it out. This is my flask right here because I want it to be hot all day. That's why I'm going to put it there. So I don't want the akume to actually stick in here. That's why I'm using water. Like, see, it doesn't stick. Yeah. And this is mine. That our akume is ready, I'll go ahead and prepare the tomatoes and roast them, yeah, so that we can make our a basis. So I'll start by peeling my onion. Go ahead and roast our tomatoes. Yeah. Chako is so hot.
Favila Zamenamu. Mega Favila Zamenamu. Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Mega Glenhaji, Toboli. Mega Yuanyenji, Toboli. Mega Favila Zamenamu. Mega Favila Zamenamu. Nadena Hobela Sionamlo. Devinelo, Toboli. Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Nega Glenhaji, Toboli. Nega Yuanyenji, Toboli. Mega Favila Zamenamu.
I'll add in a little bit of salt, not too much. And I'm adding in fresh pepper. So after blending the onion, I'll go ahead and start adding in the tomatoes. You see this recipe right here? Try it and tell me later. It's so good. I know Cameroonians watching will be like, what's that? I used to be like you, but now it's the sweetest. It's so delicious. In my green pepper. So this is our fried fish right here.
Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Make up a JJVLO, Toboli. Nega Glenhaji.
So this is what our food is looking like. Oh my goodness, check this out. It's looking delicious. It looks so good. Okay, so our food is ready. Let's go ahead and eat together. You all are invited. And we thank God for this meal. Wow. This meal is very, very healthy. It's oilless and yeah, let's go ahead and eat, guys. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. You know, you'll be it's kind of weird for people in Central Africa to eat something like this. Like, this is practically raw tomatoes, and the way it's done, we believe in cooking everything in some oil and stuff like that. So for them, when they watch videos like this, they're like, how do you even do it? I used to feel the same until I moved to Togo, and after eating this for a while, I changed my mind. Like, this is so delicious. Let's eat. This is the fried fish right here. You know, usually they have it like in the small shops around here. It's so good. Salted fish. It was salted and fried, and it's really good. And if you feel like maybe this is not going to be good, I dare you to try the recipe. When you try it, you thank me later, I swear. Yeah, it's really good. A lot of I would say Nigerians and Cameroonians, I don't think they can eat something like this. But when it comes to like Togo, Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire and Benin, I think this is like really delicious for them. And as a Cameroonian who has been in Togo for over 4 years, I can testify that this is so delicious, and it's very simple and easy to make. Let's say you're at home and you don't have money and you have like the corn powder. With 100 francs you can get the fish, another 100 you can get the tomatoes, and you can quickly do what I did. And yeah, that's like 0.34 USD. Yeah, food, like very delicious homemade meal to eat. Yeah, I just like how easy it is. You know, sometimes if you don't want to stress yourself, you don't want to cook like a huge pot of soup, you can just do this and enjoy. So you all are invited. And I can assure you that a lot of people over here like this, a lot. Like, everybody loves this. And you can add in like a lot of pepper if you want to. This is really delicious. Now this is West African food. I remember in Cameroon, we used to have some fishermen coming from Ghana, and the city where the fishermen will come to fish, I had some relatives over there. And usually when they come to us, they'll be like, can you imagine Ghanaians who use like fresh tomatoes and pepper and grind it together and use it to eat? I'll be like, wow, how can somebody eat such? Ew, I can never. Look at me today. Look at me. Never say never, I swear. I still remember vividly how I used to be like, oh, I can never eat such. And I'm here eating. Yeah. So totally my food is a 10 over 10. I will even say 11 over 10. And it's so delicious. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure you like it, you comment and you share, because it really helps the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.